Okay, welcome to week 2. So let's go see how we did on the previous week. So I'm going to go to discussions, I'm going to go to grading notes, and here we are, the syllabus and journal 1. So the syllabus quiz really was designed to tell me, have you watched the week 0 videos? Do you have a copy of the book? And trust me, it answered those questions very clearly. I now know who has not watched the video and who does not have a copy of the book. Now, the copy of the book, I understand, because real life tends to interfere with school, and so it may be a while before you get a book. I can understand that, but there's hardly a reason for not watching the week 0's videos. They've been out there for about a month. Okay, so let's just go through it. So no, I don't have an office phone. I do list a phone on the PowerPoint slides and on the syllabus, but if you read what it says, it actually says that's for the COBA admin. Yeah, there was an error in the quiz. The correct answer for the last copyright year was actually 2019, but I messed up the quiz. And then question 3 originally was, tell me the first word of the first paragraph on page 20. And then someone said, yeah, but I have the electronic version of the book and I don't have page numbers. And I went, oh, okay. So I went through and found a figure and said, what's the caption on the figure? Some of you were having a tough time because there's a difference between a figure, a table, a code listing, right? I mean, they're 3 separate things. Okay. Question 8, that's the one on whether or not you can resubmit after things have been graded. That's very important. And question 9, if you have not yet figured out how to read your feedback, wow. You're gonna do really poorly in this class if you haven't figured that out yet. Okay, on the journal, most people did pretty good. 95, that's fantastic. The first question was on the Java runtime. Now, trust me, I wasn't trying to trick you, okay? But we talked about this a lot. I mean, a lot. About how the standalone Java runtime is no longer required, okay? All right, just asking. So I wasn't attempting to trick you. I was trying to determine if you were paying attention. Okay, good. Okay, so let's move on to the current week. So let's go look at the schedule. And so we're going to go to modules and go to the course schedule. And of course, we're doing chapter 2, assignment 1, and journal 2. Let's go look at the assignments. So, assignment 1. This one has been out there a while, but I cautioned you not to start on it yet because you're missing some information. This week's lecture is going to cover how to do standard comments and how to get numeric input from the user. And so you really have to wait until after you've seen the lecture before you can start work on this thing. So it's pretty straightforward. I want you to name the assignment. I want you to include the standard comments, which of course is going to be in the lecture. Comment the code wherever you think is appropriate, and then use the technique that was in the lecture, not the technique that's in the book, for inputting numbers. And that's about that. Let's go look at the journal assignment, because this journal assignment's got some extra things in it. This one has what I call feedback questions. Let me explain. I don't really have an awful lot of visibility of what other professors are doing, okay? I know what kind of video classes that I do, but I'm not sure how common this is. So what I'm basically asking is this format that you're looking at now with me, with a little thumbnail, me over here in the corner, talking over whatever it is we're doing, is that a common thing? Have you seen that before? Is this normal, everyday thing and everyone understands it? Or is this the first time you've ever seen it? That's kind of what I'm asking. So how many classes have you taken online? Which percent of them had any type of video? And then is this what you were expecting when you're talking about online courses? And do you like having this asynchronous kind of stuff? So that's kind of the questions that we're after. Okay, so now that we're at week 2, I have released the week 1's lecture notes for chapter 1. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go look at the week, see what's going on. So here we are at week 2. And read chapter 2. Watch the week 2 and chapter 2 videos. An hour and 21 minutes. That's kind of getting up there. Turn in assignment 1, and after watching the videos, answer the question in journal 2. Okay, that's all we got. And please do go watch the video lectures.